Morning, friends. So do you remember what the theme of the week is? Baby birds, that's right. And I'm outside again today because I wanted to see if I could hear the baby birds. Do I hear them? I don't hear any baby birds. You know why? I think the baby birds are sleeping. And you know where they sleep? They sleep in a nest. The baby birds sleep in a nest with their mommies and they go to sleep. And nest is our word of the week. We got our shape of the week is a square. That's right. You guys are doing so great on your shapes. And it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square. And do you remember the color of the week? Wait. Is Miss Colleen wearing the color of the week? I am. I'm wearing a blue jacket. And I'm sitting on the blue blanket. And I have a blue piece of paper that has our letter of the week on it. The letter N for nest. So since we're talking about our birdies, they have wings. And they fly in the sky. And they fly way up high. And then they come down, and they just sit there. We're gonna put our birdie nest right there. You guys sit right there, right? Is this the mama bird and the baby bird, right? So you gotta stay in your nest, you gotta go sleep. But, oh. And they also live in a birdhouse. And do you see all the little birdies in there? Let's see who's in there. Oh. Hey, hi, Mr. Bird. He lives in the little birdhouse. He's gonna go in the nest. Fly, 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 fly down. And then, oh, we have another one. He's got, oh no, he's stuck to the other one. Oh no, there's 2 of them. Oh, baby bird fell out. Oh, are you all right, baby bird? He's okay. He's gonna fly in the nest. Whee! Oh, he's gonna fly next to mom. And then we got another baby bird. Fly, 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 fly. Whoa, oh, stay. And then, you know what else we got? We got a bluebird. He's gonna sit on my shoulder. Hi, how are you today? Really? Is it windy outside? Oh, okay. You want to go in the nest too? All right, you can go in the nest too. There you go. Oh, look at that. How many birdies do we have in the nest? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 birdies in the nest, and that's the number of the week.